Dirt, mud, soil, stain, smut, clay, muck, enemy of every motorcycle owner. In next 5 minutes, I will tell you how you should clean your bike. Not scratch painting and not damage electric. The things you will need: pressure washer, bucket, foam spray, quick detailer, shampoo and snow foam, wheel cleaner, water filter, tire dressing, glove and detailing brushes. You must be careful when using it. Pressure wash only this element that required it. Fill the bucket with water, about 10-15 liters will be enough. Then add shampoo. Then we prepare our magic mixture. Remember to protect your hands from chemicals that might damage your skin. I wear nitrile gloves. Stage 1. Foam machine. The foam should have a consistency of cream, and it will stay on the motorcycle longer, which means it will work longer. This is important part because it collects surface dirt, which will end in a bucket or a sponge otherwise. Stage 2. Proper washing. I always remove the engine cover, where mud tends to accumulate. At the first, I use a wheel cleaner. If I had to choose that one tool that will help you clean your motorcycle better, it will be the brush. The brush helps spread the shampoo or wheel cleaner directly onto the dirt and lift it slightly. The foam generated by the brush will be washed off together with the dirt, with water under pressure. Brushing will take some time, but it is worth it. The dirtiest element is always the engine cover. On the road motorcycles, it's of course less dirty, but enduro has its own rules. There's mud on the bottom and everything that makes the engine sweat from the top. Then we wash surface again. Is it best to wash large surface and painted element with a sponge? Wash gently without brushing too much on the surface. I also use a large brush for recess a hard to reach places. Then we wash the surface again. And we wipe everything with a microfiber towel. Thanks to this step, there will be no streaks or water drops left on the paint. You might think that is the end, but to clean the motorcycle really well, one more stage is needed. Stage 3. Chemistry. Once a season is worth washing machine to remove metallic deposits. The Deironizer will help with this. Spray, wait 15 minutes and rinse. Stage 4. Quick detailer. If you are not tired yet, you have a strong motivation to wash your motorcycle. Use quick detailer to achieve the effect of the wet varnish. Stage 5. Tire dressing. To give the tires a dark shade and the color of the new tire, use dressing on the edges. It will definitely improve the appearance of the wheels. And here it is. Now you can admire your clean motorcycle. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and good luck with your motorcycles.